Welcome to the Handy Famm channel. Today we're taking the Handy Famm on a DIY adventure and we want to bring you along for every step of the way. At Handy Famm, we're all about little doers getting hands-on. It brings a little chaos, a little creativity, and a whole lot of fun. So you'll want to stick around and see how this build turned out.
What is he gonna do?
Wow!
Good. Shorts do not
Here's what we want to do, Henry's. Are you guys good?
Yes, sir.
All right,
Just press
cool.
the back one.
Okay, so we need 28. We need 28. Actually, just do 30.
Okay.
This is inches. So 1 inch. So from here to here is 1 inch, and then 2.
This has to be straight. So
two,
first
then-
of all, just cut this angle off.
Okay.
mark it on the board.
See if it's
yeah.
marking it.
So let's see what it looks like in there, Josie. All right, Abby.
I'll just hold
Yeah,
that side.
you can hold that side. Yep. So bring it up a little bit more, so I'm on the line right there. All right, there we go, right there.
Oh, wow. He's right on it.
Right on, right? Yes. All right, cool. Now we got to do with this side, Abby. We're just gonna do that, and you make a mark beside you, all the way over. Perfect. Good job. Okay. The person was that side. So you're gonna nail this side. So hold on. Look at Daddy. Like come to the side. See that? So you're more stable. See I'm close to it?
Okay, now let her finish it.
Go on, finish it. Perfect. Watch your fingers. Good job. So hold on, here's the deal. Tap it enough to where it's in there. Perfect. Good job.
She did it.
Good job, big girl. All right, go.
Awesome.
Lefty when she ready tight, so righty.
I need to take, when I need to pull them back a little. Yeah, and then probably just put it right here. And give me another mark. Like, give me. So right, so just see from 1 there, baby. Do it
Yeah.
from 1 all the way down. Is it 1?
Yeah. Yeah, girl. Whee! Can y'all help me straighten this out? We're gonna take this table off of there. Hers is going on the far left.
Yeah, you and mommy aren't doing it.
Stop. In the name of love. All right.
So bend your hand back, buddy.
See if you can blot that out. You're gonna go right there.
Scoot it over a little bit.
No, that's good.
That's good. 1, 2, 3. Down. Stay
Yeah,
there.
like a
Stay there. Stay. Don't switch your finger. Remember?
Move yet. Keep it up. Keep it up.
2, 3. Up. Good. Great job.
Oh,
buddy.
yeah. Let me see your hands.
right, so here's the deal. When you put your hand down there, look at me. Look at daddy. Don't move your fingers around like this. Look at me. Don't squish around your finger.
Just flat.
Just flat. One time, okay? Keep put this
Put
one.
your
Put your finger closer
together.
Put them closer together. This one.
pinky.
Pinky. Yes. All right, hold it like that. That's fine. Just like this. Not that much. Put it back out. There, right there. Leave it like that. You ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, stay. Don't squiggle it around.
Keep it.
Yay! Good job, Josie.
So cute. Alright, I gotta help her wash her hand. Come on, let's go.
Thanks for following along. We hope you enjoyed this build. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and find us everywhere you scroll at Handy Famm, powering the next gen of doers.